If you see a lot of people are making videos and you want to make money online from YouTube without making videos, then this video is for you. But before we begin, I want you to stick to the end of the video because we have a lot to cover. And the software that helps us run 20 plus channels without using cameras and microphones, using 3 to 5 minutes of our times, is free to start. It's our software and it's free to start. Link is in the description. You can start right now. And before we actually show you how to make money, I want to point out what's stopping you from making money online. If you search for information like this, YouTube money without making videos, you will find hundreds of videos giving you advice, for example, like this. Now, first of all, I have full respect for this person. I like his videos, I like his style, I like a lot of information that he shares. But what he's sharing here is that you go to YouTube and find funny TikTok videos, then go to the filter section, then click Creative Commons and search for Creative Commons videos, then copy the link of the video and go to this website and download that video and upload them on rumble.com, then make money. Is this right? I will not tell you whether it's right, but I will tell you what's wrong in it. First of all, according to YouTube's terms of service, you can't legally download YouTube videos. YouTube doesn't like it. And YouTube can sue you for downloading their videos. Although this video is showing you Creative Commons videos, they might be stolen videos as well. And in a lot of cases, they are. Stick with me because more awesome and amazing, doable examples are coming. Okay, before we move forward, I want you to understand this is completely beginner friendly and it can be done by anyone on the planet. And there are two ways to make money from YouTube without actually making videos. In reality, making videos without using cameras and microphones. I will cover that in a moment, but before that, let me show you money. What you see here is one of my Warrior Plus affiliate accounts, and you can see $160,085.75. Now, this income depends on all these parameters, but one of them is the most important, and it's directly connected to what I'm about to share with you. So here is an example. Let me show you a video which is very interesting. This is basically a joke. Okay, father can be father-in-law. I mean, father-in-law, son to son-in-law, daughter to daughter-in-law, mother to mother-in-law. But wife is the law. It was funny. But did you notice there is no face in the video? And the video has got 9,000 likes, which is around 90,000 to 100,000 views. Now, I'm talking about views because views are directly related to this money. I'll come back to that in a moment. But before that, here is another video. Although this video is with a camera and somebody is on the camera, but he's not speaking. And the boring way he's making the video, this was so funny. So a lot of people make this kind of videos where they put stack of papers and they move their message one by one, like changing slides one by one. But he turned the same thing into a funny video. The audience is expecting the next slide or the next message. Now look at the likes, around 10,000 likes, which is approximately 100,000 views. A lot of people are making this kind of video and it became a norm. Nobody seems to mind about it. Nobody seems to care about them because it's not about the video. It's about the reaction about the video. News readers do it. Comedians do it all day long. So this kind of video is legal. But please don't take my words as law. Use your due diligence while using other people's videos. Now this is my favorite niche, inspiration or motivation niche. This niche covers literally all kinds of people. See, this video clip belongs to someone else, but there is a message on top and at the bottom. This video has got around 1 million views. A lot of people are doing this and I don't know whether it's good or bad, right or wrong. They're using celebrity videos, especially Steve Harvey's videos, putting some text on them, making short clips and getting hundreds of thousands of views for free. Now this is a funny video. It's a meme video, literally used by hundreds of people on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, everywhere. I don't know, legal or illegal, but nobody seems to care about the meme videos. Now this is an epic video and I want to show you the same video in a different way. Exactly the way we make money. I have taken a couple of screenshots from the video to explain you what happened. This guy sitting here is looking at the other guy taking the bike, riding on the bike, gets on the bike, starts the bike, and when he starts the bike, his phone falls off on the ground and he leaves without the phone. Now this guy noticed it and he's calling the biker back. He's trying his best to call him back. He gives up, picks up the phone, and finds his photo on the phone's wallpaper. Now he realizes it was his phone and this biker was a pickpocket. Now he wants the thief. Funny? I just told you the whole story of the same video without actually stealing another person's video, without downloading from YouTube and violating YouTube terms of service. But to make this video, I'm not going to use a camera. I'm going to use my artificial intelligence software Epic that allows us to make videos for 20 plus channels without showing face, without stealing, while having a lot of fun. So let me show you how. I'm going to name the campaign and choose vertical because I want to make vertical videos. By the way, vertical videos get millions of views easily because YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook are fighting each other to get the maximum attention of mobile users. Now my images are auto-uploaded from my phone to Google Drive. I'm going to copy this image, go to the image section and click this click here button and Ctrl V. Immediately the image is here. I'm going to click upload. Got the video on the library right here. Just click use button and I find my image right here. Now I can make it large, place it anywhere I want, rotate it, do whatever, add a text. By the way, before we move forward, Epic gives us 2.7 million royalty-free image and videos that you can use to make videos for free without any legal issues and without using expensive stock footages. Now let me show you a trick so you never have to type again. This software I'm showing you is a free to start transcription software. Link is in the description, go grab it. Click record and it will record everything I say. So I'm gonna write a story about what's happening here without typing. I will just say whatever comes to my mind. Once upon a time, there were two men. One was sitting and the other one was living with his bike. The biker starts his bike, but his phone falls off the ground. The sitting man sees it and he tries to stop the biker, but the biker didn't hear and he leaves. The anxious sitting man runs behind him and picks up the phone, only to find his photo on the wallpaper. Now he wants the thief. I just paused the auto transcription and I'm going to copy this text. Look at this. Copied, came back. Now I'll go to the text section. Now here's an interesting thing about text section. There is a text generator. This is an AI text generator. Epic writes the scripts for us using AI. So we put our text here and use any of these two buttons and Epic rewrites the text using AI. This way we can even use other people's text, articles, stories and rewrite them completely legally for us. But in this case, we're using our own story. So we're not going to use this. We're going to go here, copy and paste text, then paste the text. Now let me show you a magic. Epic makes bite-sized videos, but it creates bite-sized tiny videos from text as well. You see, all these paragraphs will become each tiny section. Check the right hand side. Now there is only one section here, but as soon as I click submit, all these paragraphs became each section. You see that? So now I'm going to add another photo. So I'll copy this image, upload and bring it on the slide. But don't go, that's not the most beautiful part. I'm going to copy this text and turn into natural sounding voiceover. Epic does that. So I'll go click audio and click text to audio, give it a title, select quality, my favorite voiceover artist and paste the text. Click submit and in a fraction of a second, you'll find your audio in the text to audio section. Now I'm going to play it.
Once upon a time, there were two men. One was sitting and the other one was living with his bike.
Nice. I will add the clip in this slide in here. Now this way I'm going to put relevant images on every section or slide, add voiceover if I want or background music if I want, and finally click the render button right here to make one long video. Now you can go on, click the save button and save your work for as long as you want and keep adding new sections. This way you don't have to get tired or bored making long videos. You can simply have fun, take screenshots just like this and use that screenshot to make videos using Epic. This is how we run 20 plus channels, and the views we get from those channels get us hops or clicks on our affiliate links, and from those clicks people buy from us and we make money. Now I have made a full video about where to collect your affiliate links from, and never make one mistake that I shared in this video, otherwise you will end up not making money. And I have never seen any other video shared this secret, and I have covered where to put your link and what to do in order to get clicks on your links, so all these views turn into money or affiliate commission. All these are covered in one video. I will put that video in the card on top right here or maybe here, and I will also put the link in the description below. Make sure you watch that video. Epic is free to start. This amazing transcription software is free to start. Links are in the description, go grab them. Start making your videos without stealing other people's videos. Tell your own stories, get views and clicks, make affiliate commission commissions easily. It's super simple. All you have to do is to start today. So did you like our video? We put a lot of effort on it so you learn how to make money online the easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. Hit the like button and share this video with your friends and family. This way you help them learn how to make money online as well. They will love you, they will follow you, and eventually they will become your first customers and clients. This is how we make money online, and you can do it too. By the way, remember to subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button. YouTube will notify you when we will upload our next money making video, and we will see you in the next one. Don't forget to watch this video to learn in details about affiliate marketing, and watch this video to learn about 3 AI apps that can make you $70,000 passive income.